Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. How to clear the all watch video history on YouTube. Okay, so this is so simple method. You have just follow my all steps. Okay, we will easily find it. So first of all, you have to click on the Facebook button. When you click on the Facebook button, now just go to your home page. Okay, now when you go to your home page, this is the everything you can watch the videos. For example, you click here and you click the video on watch. When you click here, this is the all video which are you watching. But for this purpose, you have to come here and you want to delete your watch history. So what can you do? Go to the setting option. This is also the setting option, but if this is not present your phone, just go to setting and privacy, click on the setting option. Okay, now when you click on the setting button, go here to activity log option. This is the activity log option. Okay, now this activity log option is present. This activity log option is present here. This activity log option is present here, and you see that here is a activity history. Everything is present, but there is a logged action and other activity. You have to view logged action. When you click this, now just wait. Okay, you have now click on the filter button. When you click on the filter button, just click on the category button. When you click on the category button, you have to click on the video you have watched. Okay, you click this. Now just see and just imagine all the video you are watched are present here. In just one click, these all video will deleted. Clear video watch history. Now I just clear everything. Now all the video you have watched is cleared. Okay, now this history will be clear out in a it history is long, it may take some time. Okay, so it will take time and this will be deleted from your phone. Okay, so simple method. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, click on the comment and subscribe the channel and click on the description. There is a link where have a useful things for you. Thanks for watching.